So one of the experiences we had doing virtual training is that virtual training can be quite a passive experience. If you're lecturing and you cannot see your audience, you cannot see their facial features, you cannot see their body language, you don't necessarily get a feedback of how well you're presenting or how well you're conveying the information. And for the audience, it can also be quite difficult to raise your voice if you have a question. Even if it's at a point where the presenter says, "Are there any questions?" the virtual environment can be quite intimidating, because you would be sort of sole person starting to voice up. So one of the ways we found to get around this barrier between presenter and audience is to have two presenters. One that can be presenting actual material, and the other one that can be there as essentially a second-hand person to pose questions, to ask some questions, start a discussion, and in that way bringing the audience into that conversation. This can be quite effective, and we think that's one way of going forward when you do these virtual trainings, to have multiple presenters, so that not only can one person take over and present different types of material, but you can have a back and forth between presenters, which can then answer questions that the first presenter may have forgotten to mention in their material, but also then draw the audience in.